Hello, and welcome to another walkthrough from Web Wonks. Today, we're going to talk about the Google Marketing Live. So, Google has recently, actually a month ago, has dropped a wave of AI updates. And if you're running campaigns in New Zealand, some of these changes for your roadmap can actually change a lot of things for you. So obviously the Google Marketing Live was globally. So they tend to roll out things slowly in New Zealand. So it is not entirely affecting every new launch, every new change that is coming right now. But as of in July 2026, so when we're recording this, there are a few things that you can actually look at in your account that actually affects, but you can also look forward to a few things that are also coming in. As you can see on my screen, I have this link, which will be shared in the YouTube video as well. But this is where that actual keynote is if you want to go and expand and check further on that one. So a few things that are readily available, which are already rolled out in New Zealand. So AI-powered shopping ads are actually rolling out here now and using Gemini to generate custom product summaries on the fly. So what actually AI-powered shopping ads do is you have a product where you don't have a lot of description to explain the product. The title is not very SEO friendly for what people are searching. So you can actually use AI-powered shopping ads to use Gemini custom product summaries generation, where it can actually target and get you better, basically content on those products for people to convert easily online. So that is already available. You can use that. AI Max for shopping is also rolling it out for globally as well, and New Zealand is part of it. So what it will do is it will match your product titles to conversational shopper intent using merchant-centered data. So what it can actually do is if you, it's something similar to the AI search AI Max campaigns that are currently already available as well. So what they do is you just let Google to say, hey, this is my product list. I have like these 100 products, 1,000 products, 10,000 products. I want you to go and check for the people who are making relevant searches online and basically expand and give me the conversions which you can give out of the data. So it basically goes and matches all of those users out there, finds them how relevant what they are searching, and basically shows them ads around using your AI Max for shopping ads campaigns. So yeah, so those are already available in New Zealand, something that we can use. So there are some more changes coming up in the background as well. So if you are using click to call or call ads into your Google Ads account, those are going to get deprecated. So you will only be able to use assets or what it used to call extensions in Google Ads account. So you can only use call assets, call extensions now. So please do not use any call only ads because they are going to get deprecated very soon. And there are a few changes coming to the bidding strategy changes as well, especially for target return on ad spend and target CPA bids. So you may want to expand a little bit more on that as well. I know my colleague Steffi has already done a video regarding that too, so you should be aware of that too. A few things which are not in currently in New Zealand at the moment, but is very exciting that they will be rolled out sometime this year. So ads in AI mode, it's still in US only. So they can basically use your PMax campaigns or AI Max campaigns to automatically add products directly into the AI mode on Gemini on Google as well. There is something called Business Agent for Leads. So this is also available in US and India in beta at the moment. So what it basically does is it actually shows a lead form directly in the ad copy, where users can basically submit that lead form based on the Google platform itself, and you will typically get a conversion in your ad account to say, hey, this person wants to touch base with you for a lead on your website. Yeah. So it's very exciting. It's a lot of things that Google is recently launched. Everything is AI, everything is Gemini focused, and the content and the studio and all the betas out there. However, as I was saying, New Zealand or globally as well, it will get a little bit lagged approach. Most of these features will come later in the year, but just keep a check on them. I'm sure for our existing clients, we will talk to them as a project managers. We will talk to them, give you an update when things are changing, when things are coming, and if it is something that you would like us to use in your account to get you more leads, more conversions, see where we can optimize the account a little bit better, we can discuss that with you further. Great. I hope you found this useful. As I was saying, we will share the complete link of the Google Marketing Live in our description below. So please go through and watch that. As entirely, not all of them are relevant as of yet, but they are something that will be rolled out in the coming year in New Zealand as well. Cheers. Thank you. Bye.